My name is Steph Armengol, Vice President Hotel Operations at Region Seven Seas Cruises. Welcome to my home. We are in the south of France, in the Narbonne area, in the middle, in the heart of the Gulf of Lion, at equal distance between Barcelona and Marseille. Being able to bring my wife and my two young daughters back to the place where I grew up is very special for me. But it gets even better than that. I was able to connect my two families, my family in France, but also my family from work. I've been with Region for 22 years, and I never thought I would be able to bring everybody to my hometown and to share what it is, the local experience and where I come from. I'm bringing my best friends. For 22 years, Bernard Klotz, our boss Franco, and the rest of the team, Eric, Wolfie, Raphael, Aurelio. This is very important. We have the best culinary minds in the industry. We were able to combine the best of the best, from the 3 Michelin star restaurant, the high-profile chef, down to the family cooking atmosphere. Combine the best of the best so that we can deliver an unrivaled experience in our French restaurant, Chartreuse. I grew up in Portlandville. It is the best well-kept secret on the Mediterranean Sea. My parents owned 2 hotel and restaurant businesses, and this is where it all started. The family history is very important on the way I grew up and the way I want to pass it on to my daughters. Sharing those experiences, my dad's culinary exposure, it's all part of our DNA. And it is important for me to teach that and pass it on to my daughters so that they can be inspired. When I brought my now wife Jeannette home to France to meet my family, the first place I brought her was Château L'Hospitalet, which is one of my good friend, Gérard Bertrand, 16 chateaux and estates. Chef Laurent Chabert, who's the culinary mastermind of Gérard Bertrand's estate, is one of the most talented chefs of his generation. This morning, we all went to Narbonne's covered market. I mean, this place is very special. Everybody shops there, from the grandmothers to the top chefs. We are able to handpick very special ingredients, taste them, but also meet families. I mean, there are friends which I haven't seen in a very long time, and there are some characters which makes this place unique.
Steph, little area. So Steph, we're very, very proud of being here with you. We are amazed at what you have arranged for us and what we're going to do in the next few days. So we really like to thank you for showing all this. And with this amazing chef and the chef that we will meet, we hope to enhance our Chartreuse restaurant even more. Thank you, Steph. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yes.
Chef Laurent has his private organic vegetable garden, and we are picking up the last ingredients from his garden to go in the kitchen. And the culinary team making the magic happen together, sharing these ideas, following his indication, his intuition into how the recipe should be built together. And we have the cherry on the cake with Gérard Bertrand joining us during that time in the kitchen together, and for a lunch of having a wine and food pairing discovery together. So right now, Chef Laurent, who's one of the most talented chefs of his generation based on biodiversity and organic product, is going to make now put us to work with two dishes, one of them with hake and one of them with pork check.
My father was very close friend with his father, and his father, he has one of the most exciting restaurants, La Rascasse, in the south of France. And I have done a lot of celebration with my family, with a part of the company. And one day, Stéphane, the father, told me, my two kids, they live in Miami, they work in the cruise line industry. But finally, it took 15 years to discover each other and to discuss, and we became friends. And now it's like a member of the family. It's good because region celebrate 30 years of experience, fine dining and hosting great people, and we celebrate 30 years of friendship.
Gérard, thank you very much for hospitality. Chef Laurent, what a morning. Thank you for your time to go and get all this local experience and products. So, cheers, santé.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Salute. Santé.
My Dad restaurant was located right across the street from the local fishermen. There is no fresher, better quality fish we could get. It is really important to rediscover or we learn from them as to how to treat the fish from the catch to the plate. Now that we got the raw product, those beautiful fishes, we're gonna go in the kitchen with Chef Pascal Borel, a 1 Michelin star chef, to create local dishes.
Good evening again. We are in another beautiful place. I don't know if we can top every day what we seen the day before, but today we are in a beautiful place. This restaurant is called L'Atelier. We are with Chef Pascal Borel. We are with Chef Kevin of this restaurant. And obviously we have a surprise for tonight. Heritage of all heritage. We have Monsieur Claude Armengaud, the father of Steph, that will be in the kitchen with this gentleman. And if he doesn't behave, we have Mama that will make sure that he behaves. So we're gonna do some cooking tonight. We have a beautiful table for us, and I'm sure you're gonna take out once again some beautiful recipe for a beautiful restaurant, Chartreuse. But now, because you are entering the family, this is all about heritage, and you are entering a special family. So we do this for very important people, and you are now entering the family of our culinary family, all the chefs and all of us. And because of that, we're going to nominate you Commodore of la Cuisine. In all the maritime tradition, look here, Seven Seas Cruises Commodore Claude Armengaud. My congratulations.
Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure, a pleasure. Thank you. Thank you.
Le Grand Buffet is the first restaurant in France to offer the luxury of a large house, accessible to everyone. The repertoire is emblematic of the dishes of traditional French cuisine. They have the world record of the cheese board, 111 cheeses at least. The dessert selection is a paradise. Our traveling pastry chef Raphael is now in heaven. Le Grand Buffet is also the only restaurant in France to offer the historic duck au sang without any pre-established reservation, and there is a whole show around it which is beautiful and nobody else offers that.
Sur la première, vous est proposé la côte de bœuf maturée.
You have to realize this is not Paris, this is not the French Riviera, this is the Narbonne area, the Languedoc. We are not high-profile places in France, but this is authentic. and we are here with the best of the best in every area: wine, food, restaurant, culinary, markets. And this is exactly what we try to bring in Chartreuse: authenticity and luxury. Today I am beyond excited. We're going to Fonjoncouze, l'Auberge du Vieux Puy, with Chef Gilles Goujon. This small place has only 100 souls, and he opened his restaurant 30 years ago. At that time, everybody told him he was crazy. But now he has become a monument of the French culinary landscape. He has become a mayor ouvrier de France in '96, got his first Michelin star in '97, the second in '01, and his third star in 2010. This morning, the team is having the unrivaled opportunity to spend time with Chef Gilles in his kitchen. It's unheard of. Nobody does that. He doesn't let anybody come to his kitchen. And he gave us open doors. We spent time, we've learned, we've shared, we've bonded, and now it's time to taste it. I cannot detail everything we've seen or tasted today, but the big takeaways is his award-winning dish, the rotten egg. The way we've eaten the pigeon, the local red mullet with the fish soup, the cheese selection, that was superb, but the overall experience is impeccable. He has thought of every detail and mastered it. Gilles is a character. He was and still is a mentor for me. I've always looked up to him, learned from him. My friend, mon ami, thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to come to your restaurant and appreciate the hard work you've done all those years. I am proud, very proud, to call you my friend and share with my friend from Miami, from America, so we can learn from you and learn from the best, so we can be the best at sea again and again and again. So thank you very much for a fantastic meal and your priceless hospitality. Thank you so much on behalf of everybody. Thank you, Gilles.
With pleasure. But you don't have need say thank you, because here is your house. Your father is my family. Your grandmother is my family. You are my family, and your brother is my family. You are my family. Okay?
Thank you.
Donc avec grand plaisir.
I am honored to bring everybody here. I am proud of where I come from. I never thought in my wildest dream I'll be able to do this. What is even more exciting is that the chefs now have experienced firsthand the authentic cuisine I grew up with, and they can take this unbelievable culinary knowledge back to our kitchens on board. To be inspired by these amazing chefs, with my father as well, tasting the wines and flavors from this region, we have made the best French restaurant at sea even better. And this is what Regent is all about. From my grandmother to my daughters, my friends and family from work. From my home to yours. Bon appétit and santé.